In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Payroll in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know how to set up payroll, add employees, run payroll accurately, take care of payroll taxes, and pull the right reports to stay compliant and organized. First, sign in to your QuickBooks account and open the payroll section from the left menu. If this is your first time, select Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including your employer identification number, legal address, and required tax information. Take a moment to verify everything is correct. Accurate tax settings are the foundation of a clean payroll, and fixing errors later can be time-consuming. During the setup, you'll also begin adding employees. Enter each person's full name, address, how they're paid, salary or hourly, and their federal tax information from their W-4. You can set up direct deposit at this stage too. It's optional, but highly recommended for speed and convenience. If you need to add or update employees later, go to Payroll, then Employees, and choose Add an Employee. Fill in the pay rate, select the pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, or whichever cadence you use, enter tax withholding details, and if you're using direct deposit, add the employee's bank information. Save your changes. Using a consistent pay schedule for everyone in the same group helps keep your process predictable and reduces errors. When you're ready to pay your team, go to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Pick the correct pay schedule, enter hours for hourly employees, and review what's already calculated for any salaried staff. Carefully check gross wages, taxes, and any deductions or contributions. QuickBooks will automatically calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and other configured deductions for you. Review the preview totals, confirm the pay date, and when everything looks right, click Submit Payroll. If you're paying by direct deposit, be mindful of processing lid times and bank holidays so funds land on the date you intend. Next, take care of payroll taxes. Head to Taxes, then Payroll Tax, and review the amounts due. If automatic payments are enabled, you'll see the option to pay right away. Depending on your subscription, QuickBooks can also file and pay certain payroll taxes on your behalf. Always confirm due dates and make sure funds are available. Finally, generate the reports you need. Open reports and search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, or the Tax Liability Report. Set your date range, then download or print as needed for your records or for sharing with your accountant. That's the workflow for using payroll in QuickBooks. Accurate setup, clean employee records, thorough reviews, and clear reporting.